Hi all, NCERT Class 8 Physics Chapter Force. Force is a push or pull. Living and non-living things can apply force. To apply a force over an object, interaction between objects and source of force is necessary. Whenever force acts, two objects are involved, one which apply force, the other which receive force. Direction and magnitude of force. The measurement of strength and amount of force is called magnitude of force. Two or more forces on the same direction can be applied in the same direction and opposite direction. When two or more forces are applied in same direction, then the total or net force is the addition of magnitude of both the forces. When two forces are applied over an object in the opposite direction, the total effective or net force is the difference of magnitude of two forces. Effect of forces. Force can change the state of motion. An object can be in two stages: rest stage, motion stage. Rest stage, when an object is not moving. This means a stationary object is called in the state of rest. Motion stage, a moving object is called in the motion stage. A force can move a stationary object. A force can speed up, decrease the speed, and change the direction of a moving object. Force can stop a moving object. Finally, we say that force can change the state of motion. Force can change the shape of an object. When you apply force on an inflated balloon by pressing it using your hand from both sides, then the force of pressure changes the shape of balloon. You can change the shape of rubber band and spring by stretching it in opposite direction. You can change the shape of duff into bread by applying force with a rolling pin. So we see that forces can change the shape of an object. Contact force and non-contact force. Contact force. Force due to direct interaction between two objects is called contact force. Muscular force and frictional force are examples of contact force. Muscular force. The force resulting due to the action of muscles. The force exerted by the muscles. Friction. A force between the surface of ground and the object which is moving. Friction hinders the movement of the moving object, and friction is opposite to the direction of motion. Non-contact force. Force due to without interaction between two objects is called non-contact force. Magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force are examples of non-contact force. Magnetic force. A magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. The force exerted by a magnet is an example of non-contact force. Electrostatic force. When a charged body exerts a force on another charged or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. A charged body attracts an uncharged body. A positively charged body attracts a negative charged body and repels a positively charged body without coming in contact. Thus, it is a non-contact force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is exerted by Earth, Moon, Sun, and other planets to others. Earth and other planets attracts all objects towards them. Since Earth attracts all objects even without coming in contact, thus gravitational force is a non-contact force. Thank you.